Make one left. Pick up the horizontal line between the two stitches with the left stitch from front to back. The loop raised off the right rod needle. Pay attention to the direction of the horizontal line and the needle insertion. Repeat. Make one right. The left needle picks up the horizontal line between the two needles from back to front. Use the right needle in the following way. The horizontal line just provoked. Slip, slip, knit, stitch. Slip two stitches together, knit one, pass slipped stitches over. Set stitches in the middle and merge one stitch. Penetrate the two loops of the left needle simultaneously. Knit a stitch. Use the left needle to pick 2 or 3 stitches on the right needle. Grab the third stitch.